Here's how to become a success in affiliate marketing. Getting into affiliate marketing is a great move for the business person who wants to make some extra income. You must put time and effort into your venture in order to succeed. These tips will help you to make a success out of your affiliate marketing business and start earning the profits that you seek. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. Always make sure to check on a company's conversion numbers before you decide to work as an affiliate for them. Many new marketers are sold on bright and colorful websites and fail to check the sales conversion numbers. If the company is not turning a lot of visitors into customers, this means no commissions for you. When branching out and promoting new products as an affiliate, you need to keep the same principles alive as with the products that initially brought you success. This means you shouldn't go with a lesser product just to expand your presence and to turn commissions. You do not want to tarnish your reputation. Add content that your readers want along with your affiliate links. If you provide reasons for your audience to click on your links, you will find much better success. If you just type a list of baby items you like with links, you'll receive much less response than if you type reviews and why you love these items. Use the tips and advice that were published in this video to help you in your journey to affiliate marketing success. Take the time to absorb all of the provided information, and apply it to your business plan to find the profits that you were seeking when you started your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.